Hi and welcome, I am here with REALME 8 and I'll be showing you how to customize your notifications bar. So first we have to go to the Google Play Store and then start looking for OneShade. Like this. Install the first application that pops up. Open it after the installation. Now you have to give the application following permissions: dual SIM, allow accessibility, OneShade, enable OneShade, OK. And now notifications, OneShade, allow notifications access, allow, and agree. Then show again. Now, nothing really changed much, so let's try changing the background color of our notifications bar. Go to colors. Now, tap on background color and change it to, for example, yellowish color. Like this, tap on apply. And now if you open our notifications bar, as you can see, it has changed to yellow. There are many different things you can change, of course. You can change the entire layout, colors, add triggers, pop-ups, and many more. But that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.